Hi everyone, in this video we're going to answer the question that many JBL headphone owners have been asking. Why are my JBL headphones not charging? There are a number of reasons why your JBL headphones may not be charging, and in this video we're going to go over the most common causes and offer some tips to get your headphones up and running again. First, let's take a look at the charging ports. Make sure that the charging ports are clean and free of debris. Sometimes dirt, dust, or lint can build up in the ports, preventing your headphones from charging. Use a soft, clean cloth to gently clean the ports. Check the charging cable. Make sure the charging cable you are using is the one that came with your headphones. Third-party cables may not work properly. Also, check if the cable is properly connected to both the headphones and the power source. Use a different power source. Try charging your headphones using a different power source, such as a laptop or a wall adapter, to eliminate the possibility of a faulty power source. Check battery status. If your headphones are not turning on, they may have a dead battery. Try connecting them to a power source for at least 15 minutes to see if they start charging. Battery not holding charge. If your headphones are holding a charge for a short amount of time, the battery may be damaged and in need of replacement. Contact JBL support for assistance. Software issue. In some cases, a software issue can prevent the headphones from charging. Try resetting your headphones to factory settings. If that doesn't work, check for any firmware updates and install them if available. How to reset JBL headphones. Turn off the headphones. Make sure to turn off your headphones and disconnect them from any audio sources. Remove the batteries or unplug the headphones. If your JBL headphones use batteries, remove them. If your headphones are rechargeable, unplug them from the power source. Press and hold the power button. Once the batteries are removed or the headphones are unplugged, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. This will reset the internal circuitry of the headphones. Replace the batteries or plug in the power cord and turn on the headphones. After resetting the internal circuitry, replace the batteries, if applicable, or plug in the power cord. Finally, turn on the headphones to see if they are working properly. Hardware issue. If none of the above steps solve the problem, your headphones may have a hardware issue. Contact JBL support for a repair or replacement. That's it. I hope these tips help you resolve the charging issue with your JBL headphones. If you still have trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to JBL support. Thanks for watching.